Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about slicers. So I'm going to insert slicers. When I come here to analysis, I can found here under analysis I have the slicers. When I click here, you can see here the name of the ranges, and here I just need three slicers which are customer type, account manager and year. Customer type, account manager and year, and okay, you can see these are my beautiful slicers. Okay, so here when I click here, I have option here. When I come here, so from here I can edit my slicers. I can change the style, the color. So you want to change color, not this one is better. And this one, and from here we can adjust the size. This one is 2 and I want to make it 2, 2 and yes, you can see. And this one is select, I want to make this also 2, 2 and yes. Now I select all three of these. I want to align this. I come here to option, and from here I align the top and also yeah. So now this looks way better. You can see whenever I click here, you just see in this table and this account manager table. So when I click here on 2018, you can see I just have the record from for 2018 and also here just 2018, 2020, 2021, and also I can remove filter from here. Now I want to link each of my slicers to both of the charts and both of the tables. I just click here, and after that under the option I come here to report connections. I can link to both table 1 and table 2. Okay, also I do the same process for this one. I link this, okay, and also I come and link. So sometimes we have more tables, it doesn't matter, we can link all of them. Just okay. Now you see the changes here. You can see here and here. And also when I click here, you can see the changes here. And also for the name, we can apply different kind of filters, and if you want to remove the filters, just come here and remove the filter. Yep, as you can see it works perfectly fine. And that's it about the slicers. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.